If you've been following my Instagram for a while, go follow it by the way, you would know that I'm building this 2013 Volkswagen Beetle. Yeah, I know what you're saying, but listen, this Beetle's got the Mark 7 GTI motor, it's got Golf R brakes, it's got the Fender speakers, it's got a moonroof. I mean, what else could you ask for? This is the best daily driving car ever. I've already added a few things. I got a new cold air intake, a catback exhaust, we have lowering springs, upgraded rear brakes, and wheels. I mean, I'm pretty much building the best Beetle ever to exist. But the last final step to get me up and going for Gatlinburg is the upgraded front brakes, which I'm gonna add right now. I'm glad I knew this as well, because look how bad these pads are. That's not even like a hair length away from being completely out. Look at the difference, man. This is how it's supposed to be. All nice and fresh. And this is how it is. Man, I'm glad I'm doing it. Just like that. Oh, we got upgraded front brake. Drilled and slotted, baby. It's beautiful. Man, for the most impossible thing in this whole process, getting this freaking pin on, bro, it's like impossible. Let's see how long it takes him. Just like that. Completely done. Look at that. Ooh. It's gonna be the hardest Beetle ever. Alright, now I gotta do it to the other side. Ignore the pin shirt, okay? I got work, okay? But we just got done the front brakes on my Beetle. Look at them though. Look at them. Look how clean they look, right? Golf R drilled slotted front brakes on a R-line turbo Beetle. I'm telling you, I got the top of the line of the top of the line Beetles. And this thing is going to Gatlinburg tomorrow morning. So I'll see you there. It's currently 6:40 a.m. Oh my gosh. And I'm on my way to Gatlinburg. So what better way to start off a morning than a cold start right now? I'm gonna go pick up my girlfriend and then I gotta go to the gas station. And those are the only two stops I'm gonna do before I can go straight to Gatlinburg. So let's go do it. Look who decided to show up, huh? It's 7:16. I've been here since 7:10. Look who decided to show up. We're getting a police escort. We made it to our last and final stop before Gatlinburg. Just a random gas station. Look how beautiful that is. Alright, we'll be hitting the road soon. She's sitting there. You already know I couldn't pass up on the 7-Eleven donut. She couldn't pass up on the taquito. You already know. All right, let's go hit the road. Made it to Buc-ee's. About to get a brisket, biscuit, or sandwich, or whatever. What are you gonna get?
Brisket. On a brisket.
She's gonna get a brisket biscuit. I'm gonna get a brisket biscuit as well.
No, I'm not getting a biscuit. I'm getting a brisket.
She's just getting a biscuit. Let's go to Buc-ee. Yeah. Get closer. There we are. We got brisket sandwich. She got brisket sandwich, jalapeno chips. I was at run at Buc-ee's, but we're running late, so let's go to the meats. We made it. We made it to the parking lot next to this Integra. The line is huge, is it not?
No, he's being dramatic.
No, the line over there is huge. I'm gonna finish my brisket sandwich, drink some water, get all fueled up. Then I'm gonna get on that grind, you know? We made it to the Smokies. Look at this, bro. We already have crazy amount of cars. Film the whole lot. Look how many cars are here, and it's only 10 a.m. already. We just gotta make the line, get into that van, but I'm gonna just start warming up out here, get some good photos. But look at that line real quick. Oh no. We made it inside, you already know. Slammedenuff 2024. Let's go inside. I'm here with Malad.
I am from Orange County, California.
That is a ways away. Did y'all like fly here? Or?
Well, I'm actually in the military, so it was a 5-hour drive for me. But my people, dead and gone, were pretty much dispersed everywhere. And I was able to catch them here in Slammedenuff Gatlinburg in Tennessee and be able to help them out today at the booth.
What is your booth name and what are you guys selling?
So we are Dead and Gone, and we also have Error Shop. We have a collaboration with Static Club right now and Dead and Gone together. We have t-shirts. We have license plates with stickers. We have keychains. Pretty much anything you could possibly think of.
What's your favorite part about this event?
Meeting new people, making new connections. A lot of good vibes out here. A lot of cool cars, good builds.
Today we're here with
Moist Media. I am from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, so it's 14 and a half hours from here.
drove all the way down here.
Yeah, I was shopping for a daily earlier this year, and I was like, I need to get something that'll make it all the way up here. So I literally bought a car just to drive up here, pretty much. So.
My goodness. What is your favorite thing here so far?
Just like the quality of the cars. Like, I mean, bro, look at this RX-7. Like,
yeah.
I don't think in any other show I would see something like this. And like, there's a lot of like consistently good cars here that like should be let in. Like, I know there's a lot of other car shows that like they let like whoever register pretty much, but this being such a big event that it is, like they have such a high standard. Like, I heard about people getting almost turned around at the gate just because of like a little crack on the B pillar. That's what makes this car show like super good, I guess. So that's what I love about it most.
Hi, today I'm here with
Jenna Zona. My overall name is Hannah. I go by Jenna Zona in the car community because it's a Genesis plus Arizona, and it's themed Arizona, so it's Jenna Zona. So this is my first car. I got it in 2016. It's a 2011 Hyundai Genesis Coupe 2.0 Turbo. Overall, when I first started modding it, I did all the performance mods. I did a full bolt-on exhaust, intercooler. I tuned it, cold air intake. Then I started doing more shows, so I decided to make it more show presentable. So I did a wrap, and then I was getting a lot of positive feedback with Drink Arizona and a lot of the people that I've been showing with. And then I decided to wide body it, do 3-piece wheels, and do a trunk setup. So inside, I tried to stick with the pink and the pearlescent, like neochrome and the teal. I went to Coastal Carolina University, and our school colors are teal and bronze. So I have the wheels faces being bronze, and the teal is after Arizona and my school. So it like all just worked out perfect. Status racing seats. I did a rear seat delete. There's a teal Katana back there with a skateboard. But I do want to show you guys the trunk setup. So the trunk setup is basically the air suspension. There's a cooler in here with some of their Arizona Hards because they just launched their Arizona Hards this year actually, which is their 5% seltzer drink, I guess you could say. So I did a little cooler with a pearl like cherry blossom overlay, as well as little like cherry blossom design as well. So I try to stick with the design. I think it's worked out very well, so I appreciate it.
All right, we just left the car meet.
We got so many good clips, good interviews, met a lot of great people. But now we're here at Chipotle, out of all places, because she loves Chipotle too much. Of course, it wouldn't be Slammed Enough without 1, 2, and a bunch of Slam cars over there. Even, look at that, Slam Tesla. You know, we're about to eat good. And then we're gonna be going up to the mountains, get some beautiful scenic views and some photos of this little thing. Of course, we got a Sylvia coming in at Chipotle. Tesla's leaving. It's great here. Man, this is what driving up into the mountains is really all about. Just the view, honestly. I'm getting such good photos of my car over here. I could literally stand out here all day, all week, honestly. Just sitting back here, looking at the mountains. I mean, it's cool, it's cold. She's chilling, she's having fun. You like the mountains? Exactly. We're having so much fun out here. Gatlinburg 2024. It's just the thing you should go to every year. Like, it's a no-brainer. Even if you're from California, like that one person over there at the meets, just come here. It's the greatest place ever. All right, we're gonna keep going up. There's just one more spot I want to hit, and then we'll head back down the mountain. The higher you go up the mountain, the more fall it is. Look at this. Oh my gosh, bro. This is actually insane. This is actually beautiful. Like, I have no words. Look at the fall colors up here. Time to get some more photos like this. Speechless, man. It's crazy. She's having a blast. We're here at the Tennessee-North Carolina state border. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous.